Okay, back on the 28th of February or so, I had posted a requested analysis of NANO, and I had taken the BTC pair using the Binance price feed, and the projection I had made at that time was an ABC down to at around 0.001 Bitcoin, because that was usually where the retracement goes to the prior wave 4. And since then to now, the update shows the following. It has gone down here to 0.001, which is the projection that was made, ABC. But this whole thing has now become a subwave of a greater degree of trend correction. That means that the ABC that had been labeled before becomes subwaves to a higher degree. But I think a relabel of this into, since it's so sideways moving, the relabel of this into a WXY, WXY, X, Z. I'm putting the Z out here and I'll explain a little bit as to why. If we relabel this as WXYXZ, I won't focus on this one for now. I'll just focus on the correction, current ongoing correction. So the subwaves of each of the complex wave will be composed of an ABC. And here we can see ABC clearly. And these for the axis are usually zigzags. This is probably a zigzag as well. And then the final, Z. So either the Z belongs here, and we are seeing one ABC, or we are looking at a potential also of a combination. And if that's the case, the combination would morph the final Z wave into an ABCDE correction type. And that is what's called a complex combination. The other potential is for this whole thing to be stated as being incomplete still, where the Z will be a lower low. And this whole thing will be an ABC. Which can be marked as A, B, and C. And I believe that is more likely to be the primary. And that's ABC, subwaves of Z. The C will have final 5 waves looking like this. So more than likely, it has a little bit more to go, and it'll continue moving more sideways with incremental lower low beyond the red A heel, which should then ideally complete the 5 of C of Z. But overall, the gist of the whole correction from a counting of a WXYXZ perspective shows that it's near the terminal end. And if this is near the terminal end, it could be jiving pretty well with the Bitcoin analysis that I had put out this morning with a projected higher highs if the current buy signal by the MACD is sustained. And while Bitcoin might be moving up currently, the altcoins might be delayed and lagged in their move up as well. Some may be delayed quite a while. It all depends on the level of liquidity that altcoin might possess. All right, I hope you found this to be helpful. Have a great day.